Gallifrey's bet, sets out for Camelot to honor her father and to begin her own quest. But soon, Kaylee meets someone new, a squire who was blinded in a stable fire, and unknown to Kaylee, rescued by her father, Sir Lionel. Trained to survive by a silver-winged falcon, Garrett reluctantly befriends our brave Kaylee, who is unaware of Garrett's dream of knighthood.
Hey, look! Your falcon has silver wings.
Really? I'll have to take your word for that.
Oh, no, I'm sorry. It means he knows where Excalibur is.
Sure he does. In Camelot. You know, big castle, lots of flags.
No! He's somewhere in the forest. Wilbur has stolen it and he's taken my mother hostage.